aveze lokho and then vele ngeke unazo smart kakhulu ngeke aveze into kanjena kungenabo bekufakazi ngifisa singathola ipolice report ukuthi mangakanani amaphoyisa azo resigna emsebenzini noma a resignile kusuka namhlanje kuyale even our politicians siyayidinga into kanjalo transparent kanjalo ukuthi bangakanani abantu asebenzeni yini into eshayikisa abantu kangaka umkhwanazi mangabe ezokhuluma kanje yini into ebagulisa amakhanda even politicians umkhwanazi uyiphoyisa and into akayifungela uyayazi uma sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nomesaya ethu omanathi ongekho eqenjini noma ongaqoke iskipa sanhlangano but amele justice kubantu uthini kuwena as umhlala seningizimu Africa uzwa kuthiwa imafia belukhuluma nominister uminister litshela ukuthi seyizolunga into yalo lisabisa uminister ukuthi lizomexpose on social media ithini yonke lonto leyo kuthini a normal individual uthi uyezwa kuthiwa iyona control uminister even nationally uthi uyezwa kuthiwa the former minister ubani ubabheka icele wake wahlala emzini wemafia noma umuntu okuthi ithini yonke leyo nto leyo
kusho ukuthi is a new Gupta
of which has been influenced
kusho ukuthi is a
absolutely that might be possible. So ithini leyo nto leyo thina ngapha sathi yabona Mbovu awukwazi ukuyo reporter ePolice station right now ukuthi uMbovu udayisa ama drugs ngeke ngikwazi uku report ngoba kunephoyisa elizohamba leyokutshela ukuthi umyezi umfana omnyama lapho namehla amakhulu usefike wazobika lana ukuthi wena Mbovu udayisa ama drugs sekumele kwenziwe njani they must get rid of me ngoba mina ngidisturba iprocess noma izinto zonke ezenzakalayo sibheke phiki sizoba i-country enjani Mbovu of which we can't even trust our SAPS department into esithembele kuyona but akusamele sikwazi ukuyilentozana ukuyithemba ngesimo sokuthi vele ayikho justice Mbovu mawungenamali la eMzansi impilo yakhe ifana nento engekho mangenali imiliyoni engizolishiya kwenziwe investigation ngokufa kwami into yami izodissolve kube into efana nento engekho eGoli thina abantu futhi afuna bayazi thina sikwazi uNatal asifani njengamama province thina siyayithatha decision uANC ulapho khona kunamhlanje it was because of iKwaZulu Natal yathatha isinqumo sokuthi no more intolerance of nonsense sikhathele abantu bakhona ba decide otherwise bamane bayihambela nobaba lenkandla bayivotela ukuthi bawalahla amavoti noma benza kanjani asinankinga nalokho but bathatha isinqumo ngesimo sokuthi basebekhathele so into kumele ukuthi ke inhlangano nenhlangano ezotheklisha udabalo noma ezokhuluma ngoludabalo kumele ukuthi yazi ukuthi iwona mapha ama consequences ezobhekana nawo mina my advice kade ngishare excuse me for ubaba umhlonishwa usenzo mculo uMacingwane aka step it down immediate noma resign noma athathe i special leave ahlale phansi investigate ehlele ekhaya engadisturb iprocess yokusebenza kwababundonga ngoba otherwise he will be costing his organization uma ngabe yi true revolutionalist umzabalazi ngempela omele iqiniso akadedela ukuthi no the truth shall set people of South Africa free let me step back currently since there are these allegations because I can see and read ukuthi spirit sabantu imoya yabo is more than alert and iphezulu against iqiniso besethi to save my organization let me step back while the judiciary committee intervene on this matter kuphela however if it done so besethi no I'm coming back since this 1 or 2 or 3 has been revealed ukuthi umkhwana zoyesiqambela amanga into nje ngobaba njengamanje into okufuna yenza umhlonishwa otherwise thina sizobabuka njengabantu abanenkinga abafuna ukudissolve umkhwanazi kwayile umkhwanazi emele thina on the ground ngiyababona bonke nje benza ileadership ekhona even yakhongolose and enye into kunobaba umhlonishwa lapha okumele thalimele loludaba lolu ubani ubaba umhlonishwa uThamintulu uMphemba told us ukuthi wathatha iletozana department la SAPS wayifaka ngaphansi kwakhe wathi njengoba esebenza kahle kangaka ubaba uMkhwanazi because of him ngoba yena wayithatha department wayifaka ngaphansi kwa Premier siyamdinga nawo Premier ukuthi akwazi ukukhuluma nomphakathi simbone supporter futhi uMkhwanazi nokuthi acindezele ukuthi president yes usacindezele na ukuthi upresident iyona yipi initiative okumele ayithathe towards uMkhwanazi funa lokho sikubone lokho baba uMntulu ukuthi akwazi ukuactela kungabe ukuthi bamkhumbula makukuhle kuphela noma enza kahle noma enqonywa abantu siyayidinga izinto ezikanjalo sifuna ukumove siye phambili as a country ukuthi akwazi ukuqhubeka ubaba uMkhwanazi sikwazi nathi masifike KZN sizophumula emakhaya si relax ungathi ulela ucabanga ukuthi ngenze ube nomfana ocathamela emva kwendlu ngoba uveza ukuthi iqembe lokuthi lathi lakhe isakhiwo ngo1.1 million into oyibona ukuthi ayifike na 300,000 awunayo freedom of speech awukwazi ukwenza lutho Aye, we are fine Mbomvu. So whoever is against veleke ngeke ulithanda iphoyisa mangabe uyisigebengu. Whoever is against uMkhwanazi shuthi uyazi ukuthi yena udlaphi noma uphila kanjani. Vele isigebengu nephoyisa into engasoze yazwana. I doubt ukuthi singaba nabantu abathi bangabaholi noma bakwe leadership of which they can be against ubaba uNkwalenkosi. Ubaba uNkwalenkosi is us and we are Nkwalenkosi. We will never surrender from that. Thank you Mbomvu ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu kumfoka Myeza. Mfoka Kotolo before ngiqhubeka nxese ungixolele bakwethu unfortunately there are influencers people that have a following and we normally call them influencers like Okotole or Myeza. It is important ukuthi nabo sizwe ilaka labo kulolu daba and we are saying in this case siyacela bantu bakithi ningadinwa ququzeli impi. What we know is but nothing will happen to ubaba uMkhwanazi sizozama naye ukumxhuma kodwa manje usingana seza ukuthi is safe na Kotolo
njoba ngeke ngachaza ukuthi mina nguGodole namhlanje angiyena lo MK ngoba angikhulumeli MK ngikhulumela nje uvo lwami njengoGodole umfana kaMdletshe hayi uvo lweMK cha angikhulumeli MK cha Mbomvu mina nje ade lokho ade ngizokubeka akukho okutheni inkinga abantu enambomvu uthi mawuqala uthi uyakhuluma kuthiwa uyazelapha ipolitiki abantu angithi maye basichaphaza ngale politiki kuthiwa hey awususo politiki wena lana sipolitiki sikhuluma as South African asikhulumi oso politiki noma sikhuluma indaba yepolitiki sikhuluma into ekhulunywe ubaba uMkhwanazi okufanele ukuthi senzo umchunu vele zigebengu ubaba uManana lwade ngenela ngiyamuzwa nje lokho ezenze ngathi akayi ANC sikhuluma ngobugebengu angeke bezivala umlomo siyabazi bayizigebengu so nje uyabona
kodwa ke ku wrong phela umfoka konje uMahadebe
uMahadebe
mfoka Mahadebe ningamshaya umuntu ongashilo lutho ukuthi uyiANC akusho phela ukuthi mawusuphumile kuyona sekufanele kushaye usasele asimiyeke mekhuluma into esifunayo
Mbomvu mina ngikhuluma according to i-statement ade bephuma nazo nalomfana omncane lokuthu ubani uMalathi ubani lo mfana lo we-Youth League ANC
loyo simzwile loyo angazi bathi udle kabi ishebhethu bebhibhidla simzwile layo
angithi uyabona na uMbalulu umbona ukuthi ubuyelwe ingqondo uqale wakhuluma nje into ephuma endleleni yabuya ingqondo waseyibeka kahle lento wambona ukuthi manje useyayicengela uyabona ukuthi abantu babheke ngapi
uMbalula utsotsi uzomkhumbula kudala ethi kwakade eka Minister of Transport ubheka umoya uMbalula uthi ngakuphi kuthiwa ka intervene endabeni yamatekisi wathi akayi lapho yena wathi akafucabana lababa into ukukhuluma uyayibalekela uMbalula
loyababa Mbomvu ilokho ayikhipha lapho kimi ngaleso sikhathi ayikhuluma sasixakekile nje Mbomvu uyabona abaholi beANC ngobuningi sebesixhaphaze kakhulu basibone ngathi siziphu kuphuku uyabona nje lento kaNdonga iclear kodwa ke uma befuna ukubona ukuthi ngempela singobani eSouth Africa abathinte nje uNdonga ngendlela abazomthinta ngayo bemthinte kabi uMacingwane washe ekuqaleni wathi ayikhale siyosho ngenye indlela ke kulokhu ngeke sisathi ayikhale ngoba leli igama abalithandanga sesisoshela inyeke manje angeke size sivuma uMkhwanazi ukuthi bemenze intando yabo ngoba befuna ukuqhubha ubugebengu befuna ukuqhubha yonke into yabo so nje we are behind uMkhwanazi mina nguGodole ngedwa angikhulumeli abanye ngisemva kaMkhwanazi ngiyokhuluma kuze kube sekugcineni ngiyabonga amantombela
sibonge kakhulu lapha kumntaka Mahadebe uMdletshe umsindazwe uthi noma ngakuthiwani uyofala kufa khona uMkhwanazi nomyeza ngimzwesho njalo wathi amateku wafasile bantu bakithi eSouth Africa siyabonga kakhulu kunina ukuthi nibe nathi asigqugquzeli udlame asigqugquzeli ukulwa we are waiting for the president to pronounce on his actions based on a statement esikhishwe ubaba uNdonga umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal, and it is clear citizens of South Africa stand firmly with General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and citizens of this country are sick and tired of shenanigans committed by politicians. So it's an advice to the administration. President Ramaphosa, act wisely. We don't want any unnecessary situation in this country. We urge you as the sitting head of state to treat all allegations with caution. Ungasixakekisi sizixakekele. Sixakekile vele. Asifuni ukuxakekiswa wena baba. Sicela nje wenze iqiniso, wenze futhi nesiqiniseko sokuthi amagama athintekayo, you deal with them decisively, but kungabi khona dungunyana oluzodaleka based kuma decisions ozowathatha. Kodwa kwesakuzwile ngempukane ezihlaza ukuthi alikho iphutha obuzolenza. Ungathi ukhaphethe onubuzodonseka. Qhubeka ke udonsa ukhaphethe. Sesilinde wena udonsa ukhaphethe. Bantu bakithi sesohlangana kusasa. Kade bengasakhulumanga siyaxolisa. Siyanithanda nonke kakhulu. Sicela benifuna ukuthi nqampu sesishawa isikhathi kufanele sivale ku-past 7. Shaya ke Miss Umsingi. Asiqale ngawe Miss Umsingi. Miss Umsingi. Inkinga yenu uzikhothana uvela athathe 20 minutes umuntu. Inte qaphu
hayi lo minute yazi mina into engithandayo lengiphamisayo phamisa la ekutheni uMkhwanazi mhlambe nalenkinga esibhekene nayo la eMzansi kakhulukazi eKZN nakuMpumalanga nakoJoburg lento yasemngceleni ukujumpisa kweimoto ugovernment yakwazi ukulanda imoto zakhe mara ezabantu bakithi masathe ezwelilize ngale asikwazi ukuzithola inzima lento leyo njamanje thina yasilimaza sesiphila kanzima sisaba nokuthenga and wonke umuntu ofika eSouth Africa ukhuluma isiZulu maqala kuthiwa zinkabi ezaseKZN wonke umuntu mayefika eSouth Africa ilanguage yokuqala afuna uyifunda isiZulu noma ungamlanda kuphi umuntu ongesiyo kodwa uyazi ukuthi mayihamba kufanele kuthiwa isiZulu asilungiseni funa le nto leyo eyizo leyo uma uMkhwanazi asibambele nje umngcele kokuqala before nje ubese ebhizi ngakho njamanje oba bebhizi noMkhwanazi inemoto ehambayo ngoba yazi ukuthi uMkhwanazi bambambile ngapha ngophondo asilungiseni lento le bamabhe ngophondo ngoba befuna ukuthi iphume imoto njamanje ingqayi imoto iphumile manje.
Okay Miss Umsingi.
Yebo ngibingelele nje sekuphuthuma wonke umuntu okhona kwipanel. Bengizokhuluma ngomkhwanazi la mina ngisemva kaMkhwanazi ngoba ngizoqala kulolu daba lika advocate uTefi wake walikhuluma ukuthi vele kungazi ukuthi vele ilokhuza bambazi bambopha mayikhuluma udaba lika Senzo ukuthi ubani obulala uSenzo ngoba wakukhipha kwacaca lokho kwazoba uXolani uKhumalo naye futhi wakubeka wacaca ukuthi eThekwini bake babhekana nenkinga ukuthi bathi bangena kwenye indawo kwatatazela obrigadier kwathiwa yekani leyo nto leyo kwajike kwayibo ama suspect ukuthi kubheka ibhamu zabo ukuthi zi right ngempela na ekubeni kuyibo kodwa baze kwi drug dealer. So yonke lento eshiwo uMkhwanazi vele yonke into i-right lento akayishoyo hayi ukuthi uyabasukela labantu ukhuluma ngento ephathekayo hayi ukuthi mhlambe ukhonto akayisukela emoyeni yonke into iphathekayo ukuthi nayi ufakazi bakhona bukhona.
Tabonga kakhulu makhaya. Sana
phela
singanene futhi njani nini?
hayi sikhona no mbovu inkinga indala futhi ayizolunga manje ngoba abantu bacabangela izisu kunokuthi kulungise izwe. uMkhwanazi ubukile njengamanje ubukile wathi uzosishaya ingane lezi esihluphayo kodwa ukushaya ingane akusizi kusekhona labantu laba abadayisa idakamizwa njengoba eshe phuma e-airport eThekwini ziye eGoli kuyiqhuma amethizi kuyadistributwa kuyadayiswa. So as long sekhona lonto leyo vele ingane zizohlupha ngoba mase zidle lento le vele ziba nomdumakhanda. So indaba la eMzansi inkinga kakhulu.